Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter,
Sherry.
and we are going to be showing you the oh my goodness, the Fat Quarter Shop, the Jolly Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, mine is kind of late because when they first came out, I missed it. I didn't get the notification in my email. So then when I went to try to buy one, of course, they were sold out. So I put my name on the list for when they come in the next time around. When they came in the next time around, I was at work, so I missed the email because I don't normally check my email at work. So by the time I got home and clicked on my email, they were already sold out again.
Oh
so I waited till the next notice came, and then I got it. So it just came in the mail. This is 2023 limited edition, so we're going to open it up. Okay, and this is what it looks like.
Have a jolly holiday, jolly.
'Tis the season to be jolly. Yes, there you go. Okay. So, we have, you know what this is?
It's a cracker.
Yep, there is a cracker.
A cracker box.
And it is showing that there are pins and needles. So there's pins and needles in the box.
Oh, and you can hear it too. I can hear it.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
Those
And
are not edible, by the way, because usually
here.
those cracker boxes you open and you get crackers in them.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Am I right? Okay.
I guess no regular crackers you're talking about.
I don't know. They sell them at retail stores, and they come in a contain, a bag that has like 10 of them in them.
You mean you're talking about these crackers? They're smaller.
Yeah, and you like
take them
they
pull
twist
apart.
off
Yeah,
or
that's
something.
what these do. Same thing.
Yeah, but I was saying these are not edible. These are actually pins and needles.
Yes, they're not
edible. Pins and needles.
Okay, so now we have.
Ooh, it's a quilt as you go. Jolly gingerbread pot holders. Now with go die cutting instructions. Oh, so you can use your AccuQuilt cutter.
Well, it's the you download it and it embroiders it for you.
Ooh.
And then they cut your little gingerbread men automatically. Look, they're enclosed in the package.
Look at that. They're already there.
So they're already cut.
Gingerbread men.
So we'll be applique in those.
Cool. It's got the is this batting, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the inside. Yep. Okay, we have a little enamel pin.
Ooh.
For your purse or zipper. They call it a zipper pin, is what they normally call it. There you go. That's nice looking. I love these little things.
Is it a charm?
Well, it's for your zipper. On your purse or...
They're called charms.
It's a charm.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, that's pretty.
Isn't that pretty? It's pretty.
It's very pretty.
Yeah. Okay.
Fancy.
All right. And then we have that.
I'll spool the thread.
And that is gray.
So can y'all read that? Aria? Did I say it right?
Chlorophyll.
Oh, that's because I'm not wearing my glasses.
I know. That's all right.
But it's for this, right?
Yep.
So
or
it's for
anything.
you.
So whatever you want to use it for.
Oh, okay. All right.
And then we have a pattern, and whenever they put a pattern in the boxes, you know this is always an exclusive to the box, so you can't get the pattern anywhere else. It comes with this. Huh? You what? What? Go ahead and say it out loud.
I need to step aside.
Whisper to me.
I need to step outside.
You need to use the Kleenex?
Yes.
Well, right over there.
Off camera would be
I
nice.
could have brought a Kleenex. Okay, we're going to go off camera just a second.
Thank you.
So it's called Christmas Candy Dish. That's what it'll look like. It is 52 by 52.5 inches. And you know now, if you want to do, I'm going to flip it over to the back so you can see. It's squared like that. You can always do a table runner. Y'all know that. You can either do 1 row or 2 rows. And of course, we've got some great fabric. Uh-oh, we have a breathing problem. Called Holiday Cheer.
I think somebody else needs an off-camera moment, too. Are you okay?
She needs a, what do you call it? She needs
A moment?
No, what's the thing you put in your mouth? You go, what's it called?
Inhaler?
Inhaler. She needs an inhaler. Oh, she got something up her nose.
I was going to say, she did it downstairs when she was
Yeah.
getting water. I think she drank it too fast.
Oh my
Are you
gosh.
okay?
Here is the gingerbread fabric. I know I hear. There you go. It's sort of a, I don't know if it's not aqua green.
It's green. It's pretty.
Okay, here's
I like
red.
it. I'm not going to touch it, though.
Same thing in red.
See, and if somebody was coughing and doing all that out at work, I always say, raise your hand, raise your hand. It's supposed to open
I
up
don't think
the
raising
airways.
her little
No,
arm
raising
up
her
is-
paws is not going to help.
No, okay.
She just needs to get it out.
So this is cute. Look at all these little stockings. Oh, goodness gracious. And we have trees. I think she's getting over it. Then we have prints. Print on the, so it's got all the writing on it. Joy, yeah, jolly, Noel, holiday, peace, magic, bright, fa la la, all kinds of words. I like the stuff with the words on it. And then we have the nice little reefs. Hopefully, yeah, I was hoping it wasn't upside down. And that's an off-white. And then we have Santa. A bunch of Santa Clauses.
Oh, I like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then we have polka dots. Alrighty. Okay, so real quick, in case you saw it on Facebook, we lost our little schnauzer, Dewey. He passed away Wednesday evening. So I've just got the one little girl left. He was, what was he, 18? I think he was 18.
18.
Yeah.
He was
And
a lot older than Charlie was.
this little stinker. Come here, babe. Now, she's a little older.
Yeah.
She's
like
a little older because, yeah, she's about 20.
Yeah.
So, but she's hanging in there. Yep, I know you're hanging in there. She was a little bit sad and became a little bit possessive. She was
Your earrings are twisted.
chasing the new kitten, which is Tater Tot, likes to get on my lap and lay down. She's getting, she's changing
Territorial.
Well, the kitten was real feisty and she bit you every chance she got and clawed you. And now she's calming down. Oh, here we go.
I don't know who's worse, you doing all that or me having to run out of the room because thinking I have to sneeze.
But anyway, so she's calming down. So she's sitting on my lap. And this one always sits on my lap.
Yes.
And so when she tried to get on my lap today, she was snapping at her. So as soon as
Snapping
she...
at the kitten.
Yes,
Right.
at the kitten. And the kitten's looking at her like she doesn't understand what's going on because...
They both sit.
Right.
They both share the same space, and
Right.
they've been fine with it
Yeah.
for a long time. But now that Dewey's passed, it's like,
Right.
this is my mom. I was here first.
And then, of course, now the kitten had gotten used to Dewey. And so the first day that I let her up, Megan said, first off, it was on Friday.
I was at
Well,
work.
2 days after Dewey passed away, she was looking at the front door. She was going to the back door. She was going over there to Megan. She was looking at Megan and she started whining. So that's when we realized she knew that he had passed away. He wasn't here any longer. Now, as far as the kitten goes, the kitten also was playing with Dewey. Dewey was playing with the kitten. The kitten went up and grabbed him by the neck and was not clawing him, but, you know,
Wrestling
where
with
he could
him.
walk and he'd knock her down and was playing with her and stuff like that. So she noticed he was gone too. So she started pacing, and everywhere that they had been together, she was all over the living room looking for him. And she also, at the time that he was alive, she went in his cage when he was in his cage. So his cage is still up downstairs. And so she went into the cage and was sniffing around trying to find him. And she's still trying to look to see where the heck did he went.
Yeah.
So I don't know, kind of, you know, since she's just a kitten, she may forget about it after a while. So she tries to play with Lainey, but Lainey doesn't play. Lainey never
Doesn't have
played.
anything to do with her.
No. So Lainey snarls at her and nips at her and growls first and then nips. So she's getting to the point where she'll stay away from Lainey. So now what she's doing is she's picking on Leo, which is the other cat. So she's grabbing him, but he knows that she's a baby, so he's not biting her. So all he does is he growls and then he gets away from her real quick and runs away. So he's constantly running away from her. So she's chasing him. So, and as far as the other two girls downstairs, Cricket, which is the older of the two, she's not having anything of it. She does not like to play with anyone but her sister, Carly. So Carly may be playing with her because Carly can tolerate her, but the baby can't even. Tater Tot's the baby. She can't even get near Cricket. Cricket won't have anything to do with it. Carly, she can sit there and doesn't worry about it. I don't think that Tater Tot has bothered Carly by biting on her. I've never heard any growling or anything. It's strictly between Leo and the baby. So him and the baby are the only two that have any growling going on. Now, they're not fighting because you can tell if they were to fight and, you know, spit and that kind of thing in them. They'll all get used to it. We just all got to adjust is what it boils down to. So just filling you in on that. So if she's the only one that's talked about from here on out or picked up, that's the newest update. So I'll lay all this stuff out here so y'all can see it. And then I guess that's it. And I'm thinking, since these pot holders look pretty good. Now, I've never done one of these quilt as you go, but they can't be that hard to do. It's got the layout. I'll show you right here. Already, if you can see the lines right there. So it's already got the pattern on this. And all you got to do, now I think there's if I'm not mistaken, there's a video link. So it says instructions and video link. But I don't really think you need instructions because this would be like anything else where you just lay it down the line.
I would need instructions. I would be downloading the video or whatever and watching it as I do it.
Sort of like a paper piecing. You would lay it down and then you fold it over and then the other one type thing. But this might be the very first thing I do for the new year. I don't know yet. Haven't made up my mind.
So do you get to make two, or is that just one?
It's two.
Showing you two of them.
It's got two of them. You want to make one?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I'll make it with you.
Okay. We'll each make one then. All right. That'll be good. All right. That's it for now. I guess I don't have anything else to say. Like I said, I'm going to lay down the contents of the box so you can take a look at them. We'll go ahead and let's just unwrap this because I can always put that in a different bag so we can lay that out so they can take a look at it better.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Till next time. There we go. Here's everything that came in the box. So after we get those pot holders done, you know, I probably ought to do a video to show how to do it.
Do what?
Not the pot holder. Not the whole pot holder, but just to show you how to get started on it for those that don't know how to do one of these.
What, a quilt as you go or make a pot holder?
Make the pot holder with the quilt as you go. And it's got the front and the back, so the front would be probably more confusing for some people. But yeah, I think I'll do a little bit. We can do a little something. Or I can show you how to do it. When we make it, we'll put it on video.
You're saying it might be hard for some people. What are you trying to say?
Are you trying to tell me that you think it might be hard for you? Is that what I mean? I'll read between the lines there.
No, because, I mean, oops, my big hand was in the way.
That's all right.
I was going to say, the gingerbread man has already been cut, so I don't
know
this
will be the easy part. We just iron that on. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you'd like to make a comment, go ahead. And like I always say, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything.
And make sure that you are subscribed if you think that you haven't been getting her videos. Because I realized that I hadn't been getting alerts to her videos either. So I had to double check to make sure I was subscribed. And I had that alert icon clicked on. So, oh yeah.
Okay, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.